Today I focus on 1-2-3-5 structure as a mini scale for building jazz lines. I'll show some basic exercises that help you play this structure in your improvisation. First, I play the 1-2-3-5 structure on basic chord types. This is a great place to start. Now I play this structure up and down in every inversion. Let's hear it on C minor and C major flat 9. This really helps later in improvisation. You will know how each note moves in different positions. Here I choose one inversion and practice it over 2-5-1 progression in all keys. Now we take another inversion. Let's practice it over the Fly Me to the Moon harmony. Finally, I'll improvise using only 1-2-3-5 construction over the standard. That's it for today. 1-2-3-5 construction is a powerful tool for playing beautiful lines in your improvisations. All examples are written down in the free PDF, link below. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy your practice, and let me know how it goes.